Welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making Taiwanese called brine salty chicken, 盐水鸡. This is a classic Taiwanese street food. Also, it's a must when I go to night markets in Taiwan. I am going to share with you a very easy to make and delicious recipe. Let's get started! Here is everything we need. 2 chicken legs, 100 gram baby corn, 100 gram black fungus, 100 gram beans, 100 gram carrots, 2 slices of ginger, crushed garlic, about 10 cloves, 1 tablespoon rice wine, 1 cup of chopped green onion, 1 stick of green onion chopped into 2 inches, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 teaspoons pepper salt, 5 spice powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 tablespoon, spicy chili sauce. If you desire, you can add as many as you like. First, I'm going to cut the ginger slice. I need 2. Okay, and the garlic. Cut the head and the button. Also take out the skin. Mince the garlic. Okay, put it in the bowl. Set it aside. Now I'm going to chop 1 stick of green onion. Cut the head off and cut into 2-inch stick size and put it with ginger. For the rest of ginger, cut the roots off, cut in half, and then chop into tiny pieces. Put the chopped green onion in the bowl. Next, peel the carrots. Cut the roots off, chop into 2-inch pieces. Set it aside. And then for 2 chicken legs, we will have to take out the bone, so it will look like this. The bone and the boneless chicken leg. So now I'm going to use a fork to punch the boneless chicken leg. Also the other side. This action will make the chicken more easy to get marinated. Right, and put the chicken in a zig bag. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder and the pepper salt. Also 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Mix it together, zip it up. Alright, and put the chicken into refrigerator for 1 hour. Put the chicken leg bone inside a cast iron pot and add to 80% water. Turn on the heat to the high heat and cover the lid. Wait until it boils. Okay, when it's boiled, turn the heat to the minimum heat, the low heat. Again, turn the heat to the low heat and cover with lid. Let it cook for 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, the chicken broth is ready to use. take away the chicken bone. Turn the heat to the high heat. Okay, after it is boiled, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the carrots. And let the carrots cook for 5 minutes. Prepare 1 bowl of ice water. So the ice water is for cool down the vegetable and chicken. After 5 minutes, add the beans together to cook. Also the baby corn and black fungus. You can also use the other kind of vegetable, any kind of vegetable. Then cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, after another 5 minutes, the vegetable is ready. Turn off the heat and bring out all the vegetable and put them into ice cold water. Let the vegetable cool down in the cold water. Use the same pot of chicken broth. Bring the heat to the max heat. Add 2 slices ginger and the green onion. Also add 1 tablespoon of rice wine. Okay, wait until it's boiled. It's almost boiled. Take out the chicken from the refrigerator. Okay, I'm going to cook the chicken. Add the chicken. To the other one. Wait until the water boil again. It's boiled right now. Turn the heat to a low heat and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, cover with a lid and turn the heat off. Let the chicken simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, take out the chicken and put the chicken into the ice cold water. Let the chicken cool down for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the chicken on the cutting board and cut into bite size, like this big, and put the chicken in the mixing bowl. And also bring out the vegetable into the mixing bowl. Add the minced garlic and add the 5 spice powder, about 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, and 1 teaspoon of pepper salt, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 cup of chopped green onion. Also add 1 tablespoon of the chicken broth into our salty chicken. Okay, mix together. Okay, mix all ingredients together. If you like some spicy taste, you can add some chili sauce. If not, the Taiwanese salty chicken is ready to serve. Okay, I'm going to put them on the serving plate. Okay, and the Taiwanese salty chicken is ready. Alright, so this is today's Taiwanese cold brine salty chicken, 盐水鸡. This reminds me of Taiwanese night market a lot. Make sure to try this amazing recipe at home. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.